Welcome to Tecnia TV. I am Dr. Shambhoo Sharan Gupta, Assistant Professor in Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. In last class, we have discussed about Media Research Agencies BARC. We know Media Research Agencies and today we will discuss about ABC. What is ABC? ABC is Audit Bureau of Circulation. ABC founded in 1948 and is a not-for-profit voluntary organization consisting of publishers, advertisers, and advertising agencies as members. It does pioneering work in developing audit procedures to certify the circulation figures of publications, which are numbers of ABC. ABC, as it is called and understood by all, is a founder member of the International Federation of Audit Bureau of Certification. The main function of ABC is to evolve, lay down standard and uniform audit procedure by which a member publisher shall compute its qualifying copies. The circulation figure so arrived at is checked and verified by a firm of chartered accountants which are impaneled by the Bureau. The Bureau issues ABC certificates every 6 months to those publisher members whose circulation figures conform to the rules and regulations as set out the Bureau. Circulation figures that are checked and certified by an independent body are an important tool and critical to the advertising business community. ABC membership today includes 562 dailies and 107 weeklies and 50 magazines plus 125 advertising agencies, 45 advertisers and 22 new agencies and associations connected with print media and advertising. It covers most of the major towns in India, and advertisers would like to know the facts and figures before investing his money in advertising. And advertisers ought to know how many people buy a publication and it in which area. The ABC gives all these vital statistics every 6 months. The ABC figures are not the outcome of opinions, claims, or guesswork, but they are the result of rigid, in-depth, and impartial audits of paid circulation of member publications by independent firms of chartered accountant working in accordance with the rules procedures prescribed by the Bureau. The working of ABC. Bureau's Council of Management functions as the board of directors, which the main policy is making body. Council members meet frequently at least once in 2 months. Bureau's Council of Management comprises of 8 elected representatives of publisher members, 4 elected representatives of advertising agencies members, 4 elected representatives of advertisers members. The position of chairman of the Council of Management rotates every year between the senior most publisher member and senior most non-publisher member of the Council, advertising agencies and advertisers. Chairman is elected by the Council of Management every year. The Bureau ABC certify circulation figure of member publication every 6 months. That is for the audit periods January to June and July to December. The audits of circulation figure are carried out by impaneled firms of chartered accountants as per the prescribed Bureau's audit guidelines and procedure. Bureau also has a separate panel of Bureau auditors to undertake surprise checks and surprise recheck audits as deemed essential by the Bureau. All members of the Bureau receive online through Bureau's website certified circulation data of members' publications along with distribution statements duly maintaining the state, districts, town in which members' publications are distributed. The average qualifying sales of those member publications whose comply with the prescribed audit guidelines are certified by the Bureau. The certified circulation data is primarily used for media planning purpose by various media agencies, print media advertisers, and government publicity departments. The day-to-day activities of the bureaus are carried out by the Secretariat as per the directions of Bureau Councils of Management, ABC, and the publisher. ABC primary objective is to arrive and at certify authentic circulation figures representing net paid sales of member publications and disseminate the data for the use of space buyers. Together with the ABC certificate data on territorial distribution of copies in various states, major cities and small towns is included as an add-on. As ABC certificates are regularly referred to for media selections, the publisher has a far better chance of being selected by space buyer members of ABC. By enjoying the confidence of space buyers, publishers are able to increase their ad revenue and also improve their services. Publisher members must maintain essential books and records to facilitate a proper ABC audit and also appoint an independent firm of chartered accountants from amongst the approved panel of auditors named by ABC. Admission of publisher to ABC membership is subject to a satisfactory admission audit. ABC has a system of recheck audit and surprise check audits of publications to be carried out as a when ABC deems appropriate. Next, ABC and the advertising agency. ABC provides its member advertising agency with up-to-date audited circulated data every 6 months relating to member publication in the country. This circulation data covers distribution of copies in various states, major cities and even smaller towns which are potential markets. The half-yearly ABC certificate are used for media planning to get maximum value for their clients. The ABC certificates enable advertising agencies to compare the circulation trends of various newspapers and periodicals. ABC provides reliable, accurate, and audited circulation figures which normally forms a sound foundation for media recommendation. ABC has been the foundation for all print media buyers, providing the advertising industries with an even playing field. Advertisers are assured through ABC that each rupee spent is correctly invested in media that provides accurate circulation numbers while extending credibility to publishers' circulation claims. ABC and the organization. The ABC play an important role together with DABP, press registrar, and publicity officers of the various state governments and public sector undertaking to improve, promote, and project nationally accepted objectives through the medium of the press. The ABC, with the active cooperation and expertise of its member publishers, advertisers, and advertising agencies, can assist the union and the state government in reaching their targets in rural and semi-urban areas effectively and truthfully. I hope you understand this entire topic. For more videos, likes and subscribe to Tecnia TV. Thank you.